In this lesson, we will be discussing vertical angles. Vertical angles are the two non-adjacent angles that are formed by intersecting lines. Vertical angles always have the same measure. In this figure, angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles, therefore they have the same measure. Angles 2 and angle 4 are non-adjacent angles formed by those two intersecting lines. So they are vertical angles and they have the same measure. In this figure, the angle 2 forms a vertical angle with the 124 degree angle, so angle 2 is also equal to 124. Now angle 1 and 124, they are adjacent. Their non-common side forms a straight line, so they're supplementary. So I would add those two angles together, set them equal to 180, or subtract 124 from 180 to determine the measure of angle 1. So measure of angle 1 is 56, and 1 and 3 form vertical angles, so 1 is the same measure as 3. It is also 56. Now the two angles that we have expressions for, they form vertical angles, so they have the same measure. So I'm going to set the two measures, the expressions equal to each other. I want to first subtract 2y from both sides. That will give me 2y minus 42 equals 0, and then I'm going to add 42 to both sides. Lastly, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I determine that y equals 21. All right, in this one example, we want to start. I'm going to start by finding y, because the expression y plus 23, that angle measure, and the 63 degree angle, they form vertical angles, so they're equal to each other. So I want to subtract 23 from both sides, and I determine that y equals 40. And then to find x, the 2x minus 17 degree angle and the 63 degree angle, they form a linear pair, so they're supplementary. So I'm going to add those two angles up, set them equal to 180. When I combine the like terms, negative 17 and 63, I get 46. Subtract that 46 from both sides. 2x equals 134. Divide both sides by 2, and x equals 67.